Meticulous Image has two types of AI curious customers. Those that flat out ask or even demand us to use AI, and then there's those that dance around the idea as if it will somehow offend us. So I'm gonna clear the air right now. Oh yeah, we use it. And no, it's not taking our jobs. It's actually helping us to crush them in a good way. Some people think AI will make anyone a creative genius overnight, and yeah, sure, giving someone a hammer makes them a master carpenter, right? AI is a tool like a camera or a light, or that electric toothbrush your dentist keeps nagging you about. It doesn't replace the pro, it just makes the pro even better. With AI, we can test wild ideas, change direction faster than your favorite streaming service changes prices, and deliver polished content quicker. So yeah, at Meticulous Image we use AI. Not to cut corners, but to launch our creativity into orbit. Because content is still king, we just have a much faster horse. Artificial intelligence? Absolutely. Creative intelligence? Always.